Hello everyone, welcome to this video. It's me, Aptin, and I just created something here in MagicaVoxel. So, remember the last video I uploaded was the Neverhood tutorial, how to play it. And I just decided to make this. It's the nursery, the first building we actually went in that tutorial. And yeah. And I just decided to make this with MagicaVoxel. It's the nursery. I will make other buildings here and then make a video about it. So when you start the Neverhood game, you start here at this part of the nursery, and then you Clayman is sleeping here, and then he wakes up, he presses that button to open the window, and then he looks out, and then he goes to this lever and pushes it down multiple times, and oopsies, I meant to hold my middle mouse, the scroller, so I can move like this, and then the hammer smashes the door, and then you go here, which is pretty nice, lots of detail. And yes, this is the ring food. Remember the ring food that Flytrap liked? Let's go down. I'm gonna show you. Yeah, that's Flytrap, this. And that's pretty much it. And there, yeah, that's the ladder where you go down, where Willie, Clayman's friend, sends you notes. So, thanks for watching. I will make other videos when I make different buildings. I'm just gonna save this project, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.